Good morning, all medicos. Today's our MCQs are on topic renal physiology. Subscribe our channel for more videos on MCQs with explanation and grow with us. Let's begin. Question number 1. The length of distal convoluted tubule is option A 2 mm, option B 5 mm, C 8 mm, D 12 mm. The correct answer is B 5 mm. The length of DCT 5 mm long, the length of PCT 15 mm long and diameter 55 mm. The length of collecting duct 20 mm. Question number 2. Which of the following does not form a filtration barrier in nephrons? Option A podocytes, B mesangial cells, C endothelial cells, D basement membrane. The correct answer is B mesangial cells. Mesangial cells do not form filtration barrier in nephron. Question number 3. Best test for GFR is with option A inulin, B hippuric acid, C creatinine, D PAH para amino hippuric acid. The correct answer is A inulin. GFR can be measured by measuring the excretion and plasma level of substance like inulin that is freely filtered through glomeruli and neither secreted not reabsorbed by the tubules. Question number 4. Transport maximum means option A maximum reabsorption and secretion, option B maximum amount of glomerular filtration per minute, C substance cleared from plasma per minute, D amount of toxic substance excreted per minute. The correct answer is A maximum reabsorption and secretion. Transport maximum. For most substances that are actively reabsorbed or secreted, there is a maximum rate at which the solute can be transported known as transport maximum. This limit is due to saturation of specific transport system. Question number 5. In renal glycosuria, the renal threshold for glucose is option A low, B same, C high, D greatly increased. The correct answer is low. In renal glycosuria, the renal threshold for glucose is low than normal. Question number 6. Most sensitive index for renal tubular function is option A specific gravity of urine, B blood urea, C GFR, D creatinine clearance. The correct answer is option A specific gravity of urine. The main function of renal tubules is concentration of urine and this can be measured by specific gravity of urine. Question number 7. All are absorbed in the DCT except option A water, B potassium, C chloride, D sodium. The correct answer is B potassium. Potassium is reabsorbed only in the PCT but it is secreted into the tubular fluid in the DCT. Potassium not reabsorbed from DCT. Loop of Henle handles the following ions except option A sodium, B potassium, C chloride, D urea. The correct answer is D urea. Question number 9. Hypertonic urine is excreted due to absorption of water in option A collecting duct, B DCT, C ascending part of loop of Henle, D descending part of loop of Henle. The correct answer is A collecting duct. Osmolality of urine depends on the action of vasopressin on the collecting duct. Question number 10. Elimination of waste product from a normal person require minimal amount of urine of option A 100 ml, B 500 ml, C 200 ml, D 2000 ml. The correct answer is B 500 ml. The minimum volume necessary to remove all waste products with a normal diet is 500 ml per day and is called obligatory volume. What is oliguria? Oliguria means urinary output less than 500 ml in 24 hours. Question number 11. Normal excretion of protein in urine per day is option A 100 mg, B 150 mg, C 400 mg, D 600 mg. The correct answer is A 100 mg. The amount of protein in urine is normally less than 100 mg per day. Most of this is not filtered and comes from shaded tubular cells. Question number 12. The urge for maturation is felt when the bladder is filled with option A 100 to 200 cc of urine, B 200 to 300 cc of urine, C 500 to 700 cc of urine, D 700 to 800 cc of urine. The correct answer is A 100 to 200 cc of urine. Cc is equal to ml, milliliter. First urge to void is felt at bladder volume of a 150 ml and a marked sense of fullness at about 400 ml. Question number 13. Anion gap is mostly due to option A proteins, B sulfates, C phosphates, D nitrates. The correct answer is A proteins. Normal anion gap is 10 to 12 millimole per liter. Anion gap is mostly due to proteins. Decrease in serum albumin by 1 gram per deciliter. Decrease anion gap by 2.5 milliequivalent per liter. Question number 14. Erythropoietin levels are increased by option A O2 pressure, option B CO2 pressure, option C hemoglobin, option D pH. The correct answer is oxygen pressure. The only physiological stimulus for erythropoietin secretion is hypoxia. And the last question, question number 15. Erythropoietin is secreted by all except option A hemangioblastoma, B hepatoma, C renal cell carcinoma, D adrenocortical tumors. The correct answer is D adrenocortical tumors. All other three carcinoma increase secretion of erythropoietin. Thanks for watching. For more videos of MCQs with explanation for NEET PG, Next FMG, you should subscribe our channel and like our channel and share our videos with your colleagues, with your friends.